In this video, I will show you how to switch back to classic phone app layout on iPhone with iOS 26. So let's get started. The iOS 26 unified layout in the phone app consolidates favorites, recents, and voicemails into one scrollable calls tab, moving away from separate bottom tabs. If you prefer the old tab style layout from iOS 18, you can easily switch back to the classic view. First, open Phone app on your iPhone and go to Calls tab at the bottom. Tap the three-line icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will find two options, Classic and Unified, which is selected at the moment. Just select Classic option on the pop-up menu and your phone app will switch back to the old iOS 18 layout, showing separate tabs for recents, contacts, keypad and voicemail at the bottom. So that is how you can switch back to the classic phone app layout on iPhone with iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.